In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collapse tasks in Wrike. When you start managing a lot of work in Wrike, your screen can quickly get crowded with subtasks, details, and extra information. Learning how to collapse tasks is a simple way to keep your workspace clean, focused, and easier to navigate. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly how to do it, and I'll also explain why each option might be useful, so you feel confident using it in your day-to-day work. Let's begin with the quickest and most common method. When you're looking at a list of tasks or a project with subtasks underneath it, move your mouse over to the left side of the main task. You'll see a small arrow icon next to the task name. This arrow is what controls whether the subtasks are visible or hidden. If the arrow is pointing down, the task is expanded and all of its subtasks are showing. To collapse the task, simply click that small arrow. As soon as you click, the arrow will change direction, typically pointing to the right, and the list of subtasks will disappear from view. Don't worry, you're not deleting anything. You're just hiding those subtasks temporarily so you can focus on the higher level task. If you want to see them again later, just click the arrow once more to expand it. Now, there's another way to collapse tasks that can be helpful, especially if you prefer using menus or if the arrow is harder to spot in a complex view. Look for the 3 vertical dots associated with the task. This is often called the More Options menu. You'll usually find it on the right side of the task row or in the task's header, depending on which view you're using in Wrike. Click on those 3 dots to open the Options menu. Inside this menu, you'll see several actions you can take on the task. One of these options will be labeled Collapse. Go ahead and click on Collapse. Just like with the arrow, this will hide any subtasks nested under that task, giving you a cleaner, more compact view. Using both of these methods, the arrow and the 3-dot menu lets you quickly adjust your view depending on how much detail you want to see at any moment. This is especially useful when you're working in large projects with multiple levels of subtasks and you only want to focus on a specific section. And that's all there is to it. Click the small arrow beside the task or open the 3-dot menu and choose Collapse, and you will keep your Wrike workspace organized and easy to scan.